Hi, my name is Heidi Castillo, and in this video, we wanted to dive down further into some of the connected reporting to the Commercial Command Center dashboard. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you might want to start there. We are kind of looking into additional tabs that are available from the Commercial Command Center. So the first one we want to look at here is called the Waterfall Transient Pace, and you can find this in two ways. First would be if you were in the Commercial Command Center, it is the first allocation in buttons on the top left corner called Waterfall Pace. You can also find this by navigating to My Portfolio under Demo in One Daily RM Reporting called Waterfall Pace there at the bottom of the list. The intent behind this report is to take a look at how your transient is picking up or trending over time. Right now we have here segmented out at the very top, you can see room nights, and we have a couple of KPIs like total sold to the total hotel, total transient sold, how much transient has picked up since yesterday, since 3 days ago, since 7 days ago, and what that gap is to prior year actuals. So for this example, you can see that we currently have 2,808 transient rooms on the books for the time period of this month. And last year we finished with almost 4,000 transient rooms more. So we need to find 4,000 more transient rooms in the month of July for this particular portfolio to exceed prior year numbers. As we scroll down, you'll notice that we just have some additional visuals in the room nights KPI, a 4-month transient trend report, production by day of week, and what that pickup trend in a graph chart format looks like. As we scroll down, we have the same information now given to us in an ADR perspective. So again, the KPIs, ADR sold versus transient ADR sold, kind of gap to prior year as you go across, and then those same visuals, the 4-month trend, the day of week pace, and the ADR pickups. And then again, we provide that same look and feel, but for revenue. So we start with rooms, we move to ADR, now we have total revenue being provided in that same look and feel. And at the very bottom of the report, we've added in kind of a cool option. This is transient trends by day. And if we sort it over here, we can resort it so it goes from the 1st through the 31st. We have the day of the week. Now we know total rooms sold last year versus this year, what that pickup trend was like this year versus the pickup trend same time last year, and then what that pickup is to last year actuals. So you can see in the call out where if the pickup is trending higher than last year actuals or at a faster pace, you'll see it in that orange coloring there, versus where it's picking up slower, you'll see it in that gray coloring. Hopefully this helps you learn a couple new reports, but that's what the waterfall pace is. And the best trick is when you are done with the waterfall pace, you've identified what you need, you can navigate back to the Commercial Command Center by just clicking the button at the top. And there you go, back to the Commercial Command Center.